Hi, this is Mayor Jim Fiorentini. As of the taping of this announcement on Monday, we're facing the biggest snowstorm to hit our area since the blizzard of 1978. Right now, they're predicting about 2.5 feet in Haverhill. As a result, there'll be no school in Haverhill on Tuesday or Wednesday, and no trash pickup at least on Tuesday. To keep you safe and to keep our roads open so that our emergency vehicles can get through, and so that we can plow the streets when the storm is over, I've declared an extreme snow emergency. That means that no parking will be allowed on any Haverhill street on either side, starting from 6 p.m. tonight until Thursday morning. We need everyone to comply and to keep your car off the street. Once the storm starts, please do not drive unless it's an emergency, and please, no parking on either side of the street. I used to live in the Mount Washington area, and I know this is a serious problem for many of our citizens who do not have driveways or other off-street parking. I'm asking our residents to reach out to a neighbor and to share your driveway with a neighbor so that they'll have a place to park and our plows can get through and keep your streets clear when the storm is over. If you have no other place to park and no neighbor to share a space with, we're opening up our schoolyards and our public parking lots for places to park. All downtown parking fees are waived. We've also arranged for residents to park at church parking lots, like the St. James Church parking lot and the All Saints Church parking lot, and at various schools in the area, like the Moody School, the Tilton School, and the Silver Hill School, and the St. James School on Primrose Street. We'll have a shuttle bus going from the Tilton School tonight, Monday night at 6 p.m., and again at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. to return people home after they leave their cars. The most important thing that everyone listening can do is to keep off the streets. We don't want to tow a single car tonight, but we'll have 10 tow trucks out this evening. Please help us keep you safe, and please do not park on or drive on the streets this evening. This is Mayor Jim Fiorentini. Thanks for listening.